So I'm Monirupa, and I'm going to present my Python project now. So I have two programs to discuss in this project. First is real-time currency converter, which converts the value of one currency to another. And the second is 12-hour to 24-hour time converter, which, as the name suggests, converts the time from 12 to 24-hour format. So first, let's discuss the real-time currency converter. A currency converter is an application used to convert the value of one currency to another. To convert from one currency to another, we have to write a program where the user inputs a value, inputs the amount of money, the currency to be converted from, and the currency to be converted to. The program should display the result by calculating the converted amount as the output. A good currency converter should show the converted amount in real time. To use real-time exchange rates, we can use the Forex Python library, which is a free tool in Python to work with exchange rates and currency conversions. Some functions of this library include list of all exchange rates, Bitcoin prices of all currencies, converting amount into Bitcoin, conversion rate of a currency, etc. To create a real-time currency converter, we first need to install the Forex Python library, which can be installed by the pip command, which is pip install Forex Python. So now let's run the program. Okay, so the program's already running. So first I have installed the Forex Python library here. Then I have imported the method currency rates to the program, and I've assigned it the value C. Now there will be a prompt to enter the amount. So I've already run the program. So they're asking for an amount. So suppose we enter 500 here. So next, it's going to ask from which currency we should convert it to. So we have to use abbreviations here. So if you reference to the, we can go to the Forex website. So in the Forex website, suppose we want to convert Japanese yen to American dollar. So we need to enter the amount. And it converts. So here it shows 500 Japanese yen is 4.51 USD. Now going back to our program, the abbreviation for Japanese yen is JPY. And the abbreviation for USD is, US dollar is USD. So yeah, so here we get the exact conversion of the amount. So moving on to the next program is the 12 to 24-hour time converter. This converter will convert the time from 12-hour format to 24-hour format by omitting suffixes like AM and PM and displaying it in 24-hour format. In the starting, the user is prompted to enter a string with the full time in 12-hour format. The time should include 10 characters, including colons, AM or PM, and seconds. On entering the output, it is displayed in 24-hour format. So now we need to run that program. Okay, so here it's asking us to enter the string for the time. And here there are 4 options that can be executed. So in the first option, if the string contains an AM at the end and 12 in the beginning, which means it's in the 12th hour. So we are just going to execute it and see what happens. So it converts it into 0 and adds the rest of the time. So next, the next option is if the input has an AM at the end. So we are going to run this next. So our input here was 2 AM. So it has omitted the AM, as we can see. The next option is if the input includes a PM at the end and has 12 at the beginning. So here it omits the PM and just gives the 24-hour format. So the last option, since all these options are executed, the last option is if the end has a PM and the rest of the time. So it's going to add 12 to that time and it's going to convert it into the 24-hour format. So suppose it's 4 p.m. So we have to enter. So it makes it 16 hours, 9 minutes, and 56 seconds. So with this, I would like to end my presentation. Thank you.